So I'm gonna show you how to remove the expansion tank. We have one screw here, we have another screw there, and we have another screw there. So what we need to do is we have to remove the pipes for the washer fluid thing. We have to remove this pipe and we have to remove this pipe. These bolts are, I think they are 7 millimeters, and the bolts, this one is 8, and this one you need like another type of tool. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, you need a tool for this one, or a screwdriver. So like this, you remove these two. Then I'm gonna remove this one and this one, and also I'm gonna flush my fluid at the same time. So I think I'm gonna flush from here, this one. I'm gonna take this one off and flush. To gain better access to this bolt, it's better to unclip this thing and like put them somewhere like this or something. You can put like up maybe here, like this. Now you have more space to work. This one is a bit hard, so you cannot move, but the other ones you can move actually. So let's start by removing them. There are 3 bolts, and I'm gonna use this tool with a 7 millimeter thing. So this one is really good actually. So there is one bolt here, and then we have another one down here on the side, and then we have this one. So I can't film because I don't have a camera stand, but I'm gonna show you step by step. So this screw here, it has a holder for the washer fluid pipes. So it's important to put it back the right way after, but I will show you. I'm gonna save this for later. The screw for the pipe is 8 millimeters. So there's one here, and then this one you need another tool for it, but I'll show you. So this pipe is also 7 millimeters to remove. Now it's really loose. Just drag it out. So for this one I just use this tool, but like you can use anything like a screwdriver or something just to get this loose. Like this one has a leak, so it doesn't have any fluid in it, so I can just take off. See? No fluid. And it's the same with this one, but it's a bit hard. Yeah, but like I'm gonna take it off, but I cannot show you guys it's sitting too hard. Actually this part snapped when I removed it, so yeah. So this one, it was leaking on the back side from 2 places. You see this crack, and also here a bit. So it was really bad, and I had to change because like it was leaking too much. So reinstalling, it's exactly the same. You just put back the 3 bolts, align this thing, like the metal thing in the bracket, align it, put back these, put back these, put back this one and this one. And I also recommend you to like flush your system a bit, remove the old fluid, and then put new one, and then like let the air go out a bit. I'm gonna show you. Under the car, here is a really good place to drain the fluid, and it's also a 7 millimeter. have emptied the old fluid under here and I put a new one. So I put the engine on full heat and I opened the cap. So I will let it run for a while and then I will fill and then like if you have air in the system you can also like touch a bit the hoses or the tubes, I don't know what they're called, and just like, I don't know, massage them a bit and then like let the engine be on and it will self-bleed out the air from the system. To summarize this work, you have to have a 8mm socket, a 7mm socket, and maybe like a plier or something to fix these things. And also you have to drain the liquid and put new one. It's really important and it's good for the maintenance. So basically it's a really easy job, and I just wanted to show a bit. I didn't film so good because I didn't have a camera stand, but now you guys know how to do it at least. To get the air out of the system, I recommend putting like you fill it, then you push the pipes a bit, you massage the pipes, you fill a bit more, then like you put a bit of gas, like you hold it like maybe in 2000 for a while, and then it will take in fluid, and then after you will fill up more, and then like you have to have the cap open so the air will go out. You also have to like have the heat on and check for hot air. Now it's coming hot air, the temperature is good. I can see that like the levels are good. The levels are good, like it will sink a bit probably, so I have to wait a bit more. So now the work is done. I would also say that like I think it's good to leave it without the cap for maybe 10 minutes. But if you want to be like 100% sure that like it's good, like you can go for a drive and then you can come back, like make sure that there is no air in the system. But this method usually works, that like you just open the cap, like you press the hoses a bit, you refill, you rev the engine a bit, and then like the air will it will air out itself, you know, like it will go out itself. So it's really easy and nice. Yep. But yeah, I didn't have so much equipment to film this job, but like it's really easy, and I hope that it will help someone. So thank you guys, and have a great day.